Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get dinosaur and grow a garden. Okay guys, the Dino update and grow a garden has just dropped, and then here we will get the dinosaur egg. If we trade our pet here, you can click on this icon and then you can submit your pet or trade your pet for dinos. Okay, and for example, I'm going to choose this pet and then I'm going to click on take this pet. Okay, and DNA machine has been started and we need to wait for about an hour to get the dinosaur egg. Or if you don't want to trade your pet, you can finish the prehistoric quest. I'm going to click on talk here and then I'm going to click on show me the quest. Okay, and here I get this quest, guys. I need to plant 10 watermelon seeds to get this dinosaur egg as the reward. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my garden and show you my dinosaur pet. Okay, I have already gotten 2 dinosaurs here. Well, let me show you. Okay, the first one is a raptor and the second one is this triceratops. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get a dinosaur and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.